So now we see that our project. So first I created a login page. So in that login page I need to enter username and password to login. After login it will enter the home page of this project Diabetic Retinopathy using explainable AI. So here we give the entire concept what we have done this project and what method we done. So deep learning concept. So how it will work. So how the explainable is what is the use of that like that. After that we went to the prediction page. In there we need to choose that image. It may be normal, it may be a diabetic. After that we need to choose some algorithms. So we trained more than 4 algorithms. So we can choose anything. So after that it will predict it is a diabetic or normal. Once it completed, it will enter to the line concept. In there, what it will explain means which particular region it will took to train that. So it took to like to predict that it is a diabetic or not, like that. So we choose some other images also. After that we choose some other algorithms. Here we trained more than 4 algorithms like CNN, VGG16, recent net, hybrid model. So first we try chosen like a CNN. So now we check here like hybrid model. So once it will check means first of we got diabetics. Now it's image changed to the normal. So the person have no diabetics like that. So after that it will enter into the line concept. So I already said that what is the use of the line concept, in which particular region it took to train and it took to predict like it is a normal or it look like a diabetic patient images like that. So wait for few minutes, it will reading that image. Once it completed means it will give that exact place where the eye is going to predict that normal like that. So now we got that output line output. So it will give that exact output where it predicted like that. Okay, thank you.